A startup called StoreDot has recently announced a battery technology which looks more promising than the current Tesla's 4680 battery cell. What is the StoreDot battery about? How is it better than the Tesla's 4680 battery cell? Does it promise increase in range and decrease in electric vehicle costs like Tesla's 4680 batteries? What about partnership between them and Tesla? Here is everything you need to know about the StoreDot battery technology. Tesla's new battery technology, the 4680 battery format, promises a step forward in electric vehicle capacities with increased range and less cost for electric vehicles. But the battery didn't fix one major critic with electric vehicle, the charging time. And also, the automaker isn't ready for large-scale production of the battery just yet. But the Israeli company StoreDot thinks it has the answer to one of electric vehicles' criticisms. So, it has developed an ultra-fast charging 4680 battery cell to prove this to the world. StoreDot has chosen to focus on the problem of range anxiety, which includes the issue of how long it takes to recharge an electric vehicle battery, and also battery lifespan. The battery company claims that its new battery technology can extend the lifespan of batteries, making them highly effective, not during the vehicle lifespan, but also for second-life applications, such as empowering electric grid and energy storage. The key to increasing battery lifespan is partly in the design of the battery chemistry, and in particular, the anodes. StoreDot claims that the company obtained the ultra-fast and durable battery cells by combining electrochemistry systems of the company's silicone-dominant cells to ensure there's a minimal drop-off in performance as battery ages. Conventional lithium-ion batteries use graphite-dominant anodes, which have been one of the enabling technologies for current energy densities, but they impose limits on charge speeds as well as the life cycle of the battery. StoreDot claims that the solution to these problems is to switch the anode to silicone-dominant materials, which allows the battery to take on energy much more rapidly without damaging the cells. The company claims that its new battery cell can maintain an optimum performance even after 1,000 cycles and 80% capacity, at the point which rival lithium-ion fast-charging technology cells start to rapidly deteriorate in performance. It further claims that even after 1,700 cycles, which is long after the accepted industry norm, its battery can still maintain about 70% of their original capacity, making them effective in their second-life usage. Just like Tesla CEO Elon Musk claims that its 4680 battery will store more energy, thereby increasing range, StoreDot claims that its battery will do much better in fast charging capability and energy storage, thereby helping drivers overcome charging and range anxiety, which are one of the biggest barriers to electric vehicle ownership. During the unveiling of the new battery technology, Dr. Doron Meiselsdorf, StoreDot CEO, said that we now have the ability to hugely extend the life of our batteries long after their vehicle service life. This not only has benefits for the drivers of electric vehicles, allowing them to maintain performance of their vehicles for many more years, but also in second-life applications. StoreDot CEO also claims that their battery technology will not just encourage more people to purchase electric vehicles, but will also have huge benefits for sustainability, reducing the need to retire and recycle an expensive component that can now serve critical second-life applications. The company claims that it's on track to deliver mass-produced, ultra-fast charging batteries by 2024, which will provide a 50% reduction in charging time and at the same time reducing costs by the same percentage. During the unveiling of the battery technology late September 2021, the automaker announced that the 4680 cylindrical, which can charge in just 10 minutes, is developed in association with its manufacturing partner Eve Energy in China and Warwick University in the United Kingdom. StoreDot revealed that the company created the prototype cells with silicone-dominant chemistry. Aside from increasing the lifespan of battery cells as earlier discussed, the silicone-dominant chemistry would also make refueling a battery electric vehicle take around the same time as vehicles with internal combustion engines, thereby solving one of the issues that currently makes some people think hydrogen might be a better solution despite its many other setbacks. You also need to know that StoreDot names its battery technology with its size just like Tesla 4680 battery cell. StoreDot claims that the name of the battery technology comes from the size, which is 46mm by 80mm. Although Tesla and other companies such as LG Energy Solutions and Samsung SDI are also running pilot programs to produce 4680 cells, but StoreDot is unique in its extreme fast charging claim. Tesla 4680 battery technology promises to give Tesla vehicles' battery 5 times more energy and 6 times more power, which will in turn lead to a 16% increase in range. Tesla battery also promises to reduce battery cost by over 50%, thereby reducing electric vehicle cost, but an extreme fast charging claim, as with StoreDot battery technology, is not included. claiming the company is the first to produce ultra-fast charging battery cells for electric vehicles on a mass production line. StoreDot has filed a charging time patent and opened the technology to the entire electric vehicle market. In addition to this, the battery company announced a new patented technology and that uses a background repair mechanism to allow battery cells to regenerate while they're in use. StoreDot's battery repair technology uses software and hardware to identify cells that are either underperforming or overheating. Once found, these cells are disabled and reconditioned accordingly. This battery cell background repair mechanism will not only work to benefit the entire future automotive and electric vehicle battery ecosystem, but will also help to alleviate people's concerns about battery fires and thermal runaway. According to the automaker, StoreDot's batteries contains less lithium, but more germanium and tin than other Li-ion batteries. Existing Li-ion batteries use graphite as one electrode, in which the lithium ions are pushed to store charge, but when these are rapidly charged, the ions get congested and can turn into metal and short-circuit the battery. However, StoreDot battery replaces graphite with semiconductor nanoparticles into which ions can pass more quickly and easily. These nanoparticles are currently based on germanium, which is water-soluble and easier to handle in manufacturing. But StoreDot's plan is to use silicone, which is much cheaper, and expects these prototypes later this year. StoreDot also claims that the anti-degradation agents incorporated into the battery's chemistry will help combat the biggest downside of fast battery charging, which is faster wear rates of batteries. The Israel-based battery startup has also announced that it will open an R&D innovation hub in the United States to speed up the development of solid-state batteries. Solid-state batteries have a lot of advantages over conventional lithium-ion batteries, which include higher cell energy density, faster charger time, ability to undertake more charging cycles, thereby a longer life, and improved safety. Also, solid-state batteries will reduce the cost of electric vehicles, and this will be a game-changer in the electric segment. The company also says it will launch immediate research into next-generation extreme energy density, EXID, solid-state capabilities, and materials, with the aim of scaling up the technology for mass production by 2028. Since electric vehicle battery is a large market with a promising future, StoreDot has managed to secure funding from many investors due to its promising battery technology. The battery company secured a $60 million investment from Daimler and also a $20 million investment from oil giant BP. StoreDot claims it has already demonstrated its extreme fast charging battery in phones, drones, and scooters, which the company claimed could charge in just 5 minutes. The only thing left is to showcase its technology to car makers and other companies. With its new technology, StoreDot promises exciting potential, but it certainly has some serious backers. But we need to see how the claimed battery technology would perform in the real world. Theoretically, the 10 minutes charging time of the 4680 prototype is very compelling, as with the 5-minute charging claim. But electric vehicle drivers won't be truly excited until this prototype is seen in action and commercialized. Also, we look forward to hearing which automaker StoreDot partners with. Will it be Tesla? What do you think about StoreDot's battery technology? Do you think StoreDot will be able to mass produce and commercialize the 4680 battery? Will it be available before Tesla's 4680 battery?